Bunzi. Good morning guys, today is Thursday. You know what, last night I forgot to close the freaking window. Look, it's open. It's open guys, look, it's open. God, God. Need to be always closed. The house needs to be closed all the time. I just put it back to where this belongs. Right. You cannot see. And right here, this one. Oh, this is what happens, guys, when you are vlogging one hand. So you put everything, and then the cat is playing. Ay, nako. Look at my roses guys. Nako, nangahulog man itit. I-clean ko yan later. But before that, I need to wash this. This is from yesterday's, last night's humba. But anyway guys, I will see you later guys. I'm just gonna start my day with feeding the dogs, cleaning up. It's the same every morning. Ginamit ko itong binili ng mother-in-law ko. We get this because she wanna get it for Tommy, because Tommy is the one always making omelette. You know, it's been a while I haven't had pancake, so why not coconut, diba? Alam nyo ba guys kung ano ang gusto ko guys? Na gusto kong pumunta sa tindahan kasi gusto kong bumili ng ano guys, yung coconut milk. Totoong coconut talaga. Maganda yung tulog ko guys if I'm sleeping on the floor. I don't know, I like it. I like to sleep on the floor, and then yung iPad ko, so the TV is just you know, I was watching like Criminal Minds, and then it's just suddenly it died because it need to be charged. It's so runny. It's okay. Guys, hindi niya ako makikita. So tignan nyo ha. What do you want to do? What do you want to maliki? What ba? Jojo? Tanya bunti na, bunti. What is it? 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 Huh? Ampi-lupi dumino. Dada? Come, Dada. Dada, come here. Come here. What do you want, baby? No? I have some bunji here. Do you want some bunji? Do you want some bunji? She can't see me, guys. Huh? What do you want? Huh? What do you want, Daddy? What do you want, baby? What do you want, baby? What do you want? Do you want some bunji? Look at this, guys. Do you want some bunji? Dada's here. Dada's right here. Do you want Dada? Do you want some Dada? I'll be right back. I'll be right back, Rox. Hi guys, I'm sorry guys if all my vlog, not all actually, I'm sorry guys if some of my vlog it's all concentrating about dogs. I don't know guys, let me know guys if you don't like, you know, it's just like all about the dogs and stuff like that. But let me know guys if, you know, you kind of just get tired of. I'm gonna give dog a stick. They love this one. This is, I think this is chicken flavor. They like it. Sit. Good girl. They kind of shit. Anyway guys, you let me know guys if you are tired of looking at the dog. I know some of you guys like the black dog, like it's more dog, but of my plan guys, ito yung this drawer, this one, it's a nice drawer, right? But it need to be repainted and sanding. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. So I'm gonna do this. What is this? Tommy have this, I don't know what is that. It's very 80s, you know? You see that? It's very 80s or 70s or something. It's a nice piece of wood. There's nothing major thing in here. There's no dent whatsoever. It just need to be sanded properly. And this one I'm planning to don't get rid of this because this is perfect for this. Did you see that? How perfect is that? All you have to do is spray it to change the color. And let's see the sanding thing. What number is this? Tommy found this. You happy, no? You happy now? Behave. Masaya yung dalawa. Hey! No. He's so happy. Look at that. Come here. You should go pita na. You should go pita. Misty, where are you? Come here, mates. I'm gonna make a solution, vinegar and water solution thing.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter.
So I guess I cannot do it now. It's not easy, guys. This is kind of very fine. It's not.
It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Oh baby, if you ever need a helper.
You stay here. Stay here. I'm sanding the furniture. You cannot come in here na.
You should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here,
But at least I have water. I'm gonna have lunch, and this one right here is just looking my attention. What do you want, my baby girl? What do you want, my baby girl? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Okay, not so much, huh? Okay, this is the dry food that they eat, guys. The fancy fish.
yeah. just want it. Can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself. So when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. Can't get to myself, but I just want it. Deep inside, I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. The others don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and out with you till I die.
Hi guys, I was so dusty guys, like crazy. After sanding that furniture, it's like, oh my god, it's everywhere. I put mask in here, I put mask, and then it end up like dusty around the mask, outside around the mask. But yeah, so it feels so good at taking shower. Well, let me try this one guys. I got this from Trader Joe's, but I'm not sure if it's still good. I love this one. This is the puff something cheese something. I'll try it because it's been a long time, so let's see if it's good. Guys, that's why you don't see me wearing sleeveless all the time, because you see, hi bro, how many pounds of rice did you eat? Oh my god, sobrang laki. Oh my god, sobrang laki ng face ko eh. Face to face. Anyway, bye guys. Time check, it is 8:23 in the evening. I'm just done having my dinner. Actually, our dinner. So yeah, my dinner. And so hintayin ko lang na sila magwiwi para hindi ko na sila palabasin after this, kasi I'm going upstairs. It's 9:30 already in the evening. I'm still watching Big Brother. Who watched Big Brother? I just need to get something in the car because I need to charge the I need to get the charger for my iPad. So ito lang, kinuha ko lang ito kasi para naman meron akong charger. Kailangan ko nang i-charge guys. Patay lahat guys. Yung cellphone ko patay. The iPad is patay. Everything is dead. The laptop also died. I need to do stuff. Ay nako guys. Kaloka. I have to charge everything. And anyway guys, I'm going to end this video. I'm going to end this vlog. I'm just gonna finish the Big Brother because it's a nomination. It's a voting night, and yeah, so I will see you later. Good night. I'm waiting also for Tommy to call me because you know it's 9:35 already in the evening. Oh my god. Anyway, and I still have to edit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Low level than you. Yeah. I never. No, never.